Hi guys. As a wise man once said, a life without gadgets is a life half lived. Now before you go and Google that as to who said it, let me clarify. That wise man is me, and that's my philosophy in life. I love gadgets, and today I'm going to be unboxing earbuds by Oppo Enco, and these are really nice, efficient. But let me show you, these are the AirPods, Apple AirPods that I had been using, and they've been very nice and really excellent, expensive. But at the same time, over a period of time, one of the buds stopped working, and I was thinking which one to get, and then finally after a lot of research I went in for the Oppo Enco, and these earbuds are very sharp in terms of their voice balance. If you love listening to audiobooks like I do, and I've just received them today. I ordered them, and I'm going to be unboxing them for you to see what's inside. So let's go on. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. In the box is another box. Oppo Enco, as you can see over here. Here it says the price that I have paid for it. It shows 1799, that's 1800 rupees, which is pretty I think nominal, considering the quality, and my access to the quality has as of now just been the reviews that I have been seeing. So I'm going to very quickly unbox it and see what's inside here. The box does seem rich, and by rich I mean it looks that there's been some time spent on planning the entire look and feel of this box. It feels rich, royal, as I would like to say. Let's get inside. Alright, so here's the Oppo Enco buds. There are different models in this, but I chose to go for the Oppo Enco, and my first reaction to these as I hold these in my hand compared to my Apple AirPods, the feel is the same. Weight wise, both I think are almost the same, and the Apple might be slightly a few grams more heavier, but other than that, I think what else comes into this box, let's just check. Okay, so I have these extra earbuds. There's no charging cable in here, so it uses the C-type charging cable, I guess. So there's no charging cable. So I guess I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to charge it. But let's check these out. Yeah, so these are the AirPods, as you can see, and taking them out. Yeah, they're pretty much light, and I can hear a sound which says it's kind of recognized my ear, and yeah, so each time I tap it, it gives that sound. So I'm just waiting to now check. I was expecting a charging cable in this, but since that's not here, I'm going to have to figure that out. They've just given me these buds, and they have given me some manual that says how to use it. Anyways guys, so these are the Oppo Enco. I'm going to be very soon posting a video on how they sound. But what I have found amongst the correction, comparison videos that I have seen, I've seen that this one does have a very balanced sound. The treble and the bass is both balanced compared to some other earpods out there, which TWS out there, which have more bass or more treble, depending on your liking. But I think that complicates things a lot. Let's keep life simple. So these have a very balanced sound. They have a very long battery life, 24 hours, which is, I think, amazing. And you can just charge them and forget about them. So once again, I'll be posting a review in my channel about my feedback on this, and very soon I'm going to be also unboxing some condenser mics and some. So stay tuned to my channel. I am new here, so you liking it, sharing it and subscribing to it is definitely going to be a huge help. If you can, thank you in advance. So guys, see you in my next video. This is Umesh Pherwani here, and lots of love to you.